이 목소리가 오리지널 목소리입니다. Hello everyone, my name is Sunny Lee from Portland, Oregon. My Korean name is Lee Won-le. I have two children, one in Korea and the other is in California. My daughter Carolina works for Apple Computers in Cupertino. Jeff runs his own business in Seoul, Korea. My wife, her name is Donna, is in early stage of dementia.
Hello everyone. My name is Sunny Lee from Portland, Oregon. My Korean name is Lee Won-re. I have two children, one in Korea and the other in California. My daughter Catalina works for Apple Computer in Cupertino. Jeff runs his own business in Seoul, Korea. My wife, her name is Donna, is in early stage of dementia. Too sad. But we are now planning to go overlanding worldwide starting on January 11, 2020. The journey will take more than 13 years to visit over 214 countries. We will go with this do-it-yourself Toyota Sienna minivan as our transportation, which is currently converted to full-time camper. Today, I'd like to share with you guys some features of this conversion. How about my voice? Is it okay for you to hear? In fact, it is synthesized voice by my own TTS engine. If you think it is fine, I will continue to use this TTS engine. As time going by, I hope you will get used to hear it. Have a sunny day and see you later. Yobo. Ni 목소리를 이디오니.